Forever and proud. Again, bidet fanatic pala. Gold ring.
Yes, thank you po. Sa iba pong gusto magtanong, raise your hand lang po. Ay, yes po. Dito na lang po tayo.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Leia from ABS-CBN. Hi, okay.
Hi, Miss Leia. Hello. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you have second thoughts about doing septic tank again?
No.
When the role was offered to you?
No, they did not offer it to me. It took them a while to offer it to me. It took them a while. I don't know why. Sila na lang.
Sige, direct Melvin.
Hindi naman, when we thought of, when it won, yung idea ng septic tank ay nanggaling sa marketing and PR namin, no? Just yun. Tapos, di syempre automatic yun. So pag nung sinabi, sige, sasama natin ang septic tank sa season, ang automatic doon, so syempre kailangan kausapin si Marlon at si Chris bilang mga IP owners. Ang susunod nun, kailangan sunatan na si Uge. At saka ahead dito, as in last, ano ba ngayon, May ngayon, di ba? Last year pa to ang pagsusulat, ang communication, no? So, para din mabigyan sila, kasi isusulat pa, di ba? Kasi original din, no? Kahit pa mayroong sinundan ng mga series, original ito dahil sa theater nga. Tapos, kailangan din nilang mag-prepare, no? So, lalo na si Uge, sa schedule niya. So yun. So, automatic. Parang hindi naman talaga, katulad nung sinabi ni Chris dun sa video, imposible naman gagawin mo yung septic. Tapos, hindi si Uge yung gaganap, di ba? Yung ganon. So
you work around your schedule?
In a way, yes, but because we message her, but it stops, may problema. Hindi naman, parang when we wrote to her na, Caps ha, may planong gawin ng septic tank at sa ganitong panahon. Ayun, ganun yung information. Tapos parang, wala naman siya. So parang wala naman ding problema kasi nga mayroong lead time for her to accommodate it in her schedule.
How did the other cast members come about? Come into the picture?
Una, matagal ko nang alam yung Septic 4 nung kinausap ko ng PETA, di ba? So kami
So last year pa?
Oo, ang tagal na. Ang hirap na magtago kasi may pinirmahan kami bawal sabihin, di ba? Ako siya talaga yung pinaka-inikutan namin. So, parang, Caps, kausapin natin si Uge, o nakausap ko na ba? So, kanya-kanya kaming message sa kanya hiwalay para kausapin niya. Kasi hindi siya tatayo kung wala si Eugene Domingo. I mean, the franchise was built around her, right? So, we really have to do it this way. And then, yung mga cast naman, kasi teatro nga naman ito, di ba? Sabi ko, ayoko mag-direct. Kasi mas Maribel, alam ni Maribel mag-direct ng teatro. Kaya ko ng pelikula, di ba? At gusto ko maging artista this time. Gusto ko, I've always wanted to get into the world of septic tank. I think ito yung pinaka-meta. Yung parang, dinirect kita doon, pero naging, pumasok ako dito. Kaya naging parang as ourselves. Rivera, Joshua, Melvin.
Yeah.
So naging, we all have to play ourselves.
How did
This is how it works.
cast members come about? JC.
JC.
So after yung locking in the IP of septic tank and securing Miss Eugene, nag-meeting yung artistic staff din kung para, sige, how will we best present, let's say, Philippine theater? So dapat may mga representation. So nag-profile muna kami, ano bang dapat sa paggawa ng play? Ano yung mga nandoon? So dapat meron kang veteranang actress, meron kang producer, meron kang director, meron kang male lead and all. Then after that, dun kami nag-list ng mga sinong pwedeng kausapin and i-invite. Then after nun, yun yung sinabi ni Sir Chris Martinez kanina, she had to interview them para talagang tailor-fit yung role sa kanila. And bukod doon, make sure na di-represent yung roles na meron yung Philippine theater. So dun po nagsilason yun sila JC, sina Joshua Linso and all. So we had to look for a playwright and all, and yun nga, yung mga iba't iba pang mga kaibigan din ni Miss Eugene para maglaro yung dynamics na yun. So that's the process.
Thank you. So happy ka naman, Eugene. Okay? Happy ka?
Super. Actually, hinihintay ko talaga na
arte ko si Melvin Lee. Si Antoy, alam mo yun, ang tagal. So,
Si JC
finally,
pa, hindi first
si,
time?
Si JC, first time din.
First time din,
Oo,
yes.
so, it's so exciting. Sobrang excited kami because it's not only going to be very creative, it's gonna be fun and wild, you know.
Alright, thank you. Thanks.